Hello guys and welcome to the channel, and this is Morris from the best online tutorials here. And in today's video I'll show you how to add an RSVP link in Canva. So guys, let's get started on this. Your first step is quite simple. Just go ahead and search for templates. So head into the templates menu of Canva. So it's home, and then you click on template, and then you make sure you have a signed in account. All right, so once you've signed into Canva, head over to home, click on template, and then simply search for invitation cards. So we have some invitation cards here. Both are premium, and then we also have the free options. So you could just select one of the invitation cards here. Let's say you want to just customize it and make use of it. Go ahead and click on customize this template. Now, while it opens up, I need to make mention that in order to add an RSVP link, you also need to have a create e-card account. So we're going to be using, it's kind of like an add-on on Canva. So we're going to be using it for this purpose. All right, so once the design has loaded in, just go ahead and click on share. You can simply edit the things on here to make it look like your wedding, but just go ahead and click on share at the top right. And then once it loads in, go ahead and click on see all. And then where we have how would you like to publish, just simply search for create e-cards. So go with this option here. It's going to load in the create e-apps cards, and then click on save. And then once the design is done saving, you can now visit their homepage. So where we have view in create e-cards, click on view in create e-cards. It's now going to open up in their web page or their homepage, and then all you need to do is now simply create an account on the platform. So go ahead and create an account. All right, guys. So once the website opens up, go ahead and simply sign in with your Google account, or you could sign in with another option, which would be to create a free account. So I'll just be going with Google because of the ease of access. So click on sign in with Google, and then while it's opening, just select the Google account, and then you should be in. All right, and then you're signed in. So let's turn your design into an interactive invite. You could save time using their magic fill, but I believe that might be, a paid feature. So let's just go and click on customize manually. So it's going to open up all the data, and then you can begin filling in the empty spaces. All right, so this is what it looks like. All you need to do here is just scroll through and then begin to include your names, the event title, your country, time zone, the type of event, the start and end date. Then if you scroll a bit more, you can see location details as well as gifting options, and then a registry link. And once you're done, you can now click on preview, but you may need to enter the customize, style, and publish areas to simply finalize everything. But that's it, guys. That's how you can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thank you.